This story is about a student named Omar. Omar was shy. He felt nervous talking to new people. One day, he needed a very important book for his study. He went to the big library.
Okay, I need this book. Advanced Science Methods. Where is it? The library is so big and so quiet.
Omar looked and looked. He walked between many tall bookshelves, but he could not find the book. He started to feel worried.
Oh no, the report is due next week. I really need this book.
Then Omar saw another student. Her name was Layla. She was sitting at a table with many books. She looked kind. Omar felt nervous, but he decided to ask for help.
Excuse me. Hello?
Oh, hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I am looking for a book. Advanced Science Methods. Do you know where it is?
Oh, yes. That book is in section 4C. It can be difficult to find. Come, I will show you.
Layla stood up. She walked with Omar to the right section. She found the book easily.
Here it is, section 4C. This book is very good for science reports.
Thank you so much. You saved me hours of searching.
You're welcome. Are you working on the science report too?
Yes, I am. It's a little difficult for me.
Maybe we can study together? 2 people can understand better than 1.
Really? That would be amazing. Thank you.
From that day, Omar and Layla studied together every week in the library. Omar was less shy. Layla was happy to help. They became good friends and both got excellent grades on their reports. This story teaches us beautiful words: courage, being brave to try something difficult; helpfulness, giving help to others; friendship, a beautiful relationship between people. Do you remember a time you helped someone or someone helped you? Try to write about it. Use the words courage or helpfulness. You can share in the comments. Thank you for listening to The Library Friendship. Remember to like this video and subscribe to EngSpark for more English stories. See you next time.